Hello dear students, welcome to our channel. My dear students, as I told you in the last video that we are going to start Neet classes in our channel. On the behalf of that video, I am going to start a new lecture and it is the first class from my channel regarding Neet and some other medical examinations. And this particular course is specially designed for the school child, those who are going to prepare or who are going to write Neet examination in future. Right, in this session now I will start a new lesson, that is nutrition. What is that? The lesson name is nutrition. The lesson name is nutrition, right? And here I would like to give you the meaning of the nutrition. In every day we used to take food for our survival, or for living, or for the conduction of the activities, or conduction of the programs, or conduction of the functions that happen in our body. Every day we used to take food for conducting of such functions in our body, and for giving the energy to our body we need to take food. What is that? We need to take food for our survival. And let me ask you one question: what are the components that are present in the food to gives you the energy? And the answer for that question is the food which has components. The components are nothing but the nutrients. What is this? Nutrients. And here the nutrients which are present in the food which gives energy. What is that? Which gives energy. And this particular energy is useful for the conduction of activities in our body. What is that? Conduction of activities or functions that happen in our body. I would like to say that these activities or else the functions could be collectively called as metabolic activities. What is that? Metabolic activities. And these metabolic activities will be done by the help of these nutrients. In sense, the nutrients gives energy to our body which are useful for the conduction of activities or functions or the metabolic activities that happen in our body. And let me ask you one question: what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Is nutrients are the chemical substances or some other substances? And I am going to give you the definition of nutrients. These nutrients are the components of the food. What is that? These nutrients are the components of the food. I can give you the names of the particular nutrients, and there are typically 5 nutrients are there. There are 5 major nutrients are there that are present in our body. The nutrients are, the first one is carbohydrates. What is that? Carbohydrates. These carbohydrates stores in our body in the form of glycogen. What is that? Glycogen. The glycogen is another form of the carbohydrates, and such type of glycogen is stored in a specific organ, that is nothing but liver. The glycogen is stored in an organ that is nothing but liver. Liver itself, it is the largest gland in our body. Liver is the largest gland in our body, right? And the second nutrients. The second nutrient is the proteins. What is that? The proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. What is that? The proteins are building blocks of our body. And such type of proteins can be seen in the milk and also the meat and also the fish. These two food materials which has proteins, and the proteins are rich seen in the meat and fish, right? The third one. And the third one is the lipids. Third one is lipids. We can say that another name of lipid is fat. Okay, fat. This fat can be seen in ghee that you ate every day, and oils, whatever the oils that we use for the cooking in our daily life at your home, right? These are the three nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids or fats. And the next nutrient is mineral. These minerals can also be found in various food materials. For instance, I will take example, that is milk. Milk is rich source in calcium, and this calcium helps for the formation of the bones and tooth in our mouth, right? And the last one is vitamins. What is that? Last one is the vitamins. Vitamins are the Vitamins are the micronutrients. Why it is so micronutrients? Because the vitamins are required in small quantities only. We do not need in the large quantities. We need only the small quantities, so that vitamins could be called as micronutrients, right? And minerals and vitamins both are the micronutrients, because we need these nutrients in smaller amounts. Whereas come to the carbohydrates, proteins and lipids, it needs in the large amount for the conduction of all those activities that happen in a body. So these are called as macronutrients. Got it? Got it, my dear students? Right? These are the nutrients which are present in the food, or we can say that the components of the food materials. Right? In the next session, we will discuss the remaining topic and whatever the topics are there. And I can say this is a demo class for you. If you want any changes from the class, you can give me a text, or you can give me a message, or you can give me a comment on the comment box. Right? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.